Welcome to qnawire.
Problem 11.3. We have a bar or a rod. I mean, it's not really some sort of meaningful difference in the two terms here, and a clamp, and we're wanting to put the clamp onto the bar so that the center of mass, measuring from the left-hand side, will be 1.2 meters along the bar. So we want to find out where we need to put the center of mass of the clamp along here to make that happen. So we can treat each of these as point objects with all of their mass concentrated at their center of mass. And so if we write down an expression for what the center of mass position is, B will be the bar, C will be the clamp, and now this is what we're wanting to find. And then divide by the sum of the masses. So we know this, we know this, we know this is just going to be, it's going to be halfway along the length from the end, so that's just going to be 1 meter. We're told this needs to be 1.2 meters, so what we do now is solve for this. So let's see, we have the center of mass position times the total mass. Minus the bar's position weighted by its mass. And all of this is going to be divided by the mass of the clamp. And so you need to put the center of mass of the clamp 1.35 meters from left end of the bar. 1.35 meters from the left end of bar. So somewhere here-ish.